Some of the advantages of coming to Honda Fort Worth to have your car serviced, we offer factory-trained Honda technicians, and we only use Honda factory parts to service your vehicle. We also have several amenities, including a night drop, where you can drop your keys in a night drop box in a secure location, and we can start your car first thing in the morning. We also have a dedicated business development center that helps schedule appointments to get your car in, so we can get it in and out in a more efficient time frame. We offer shuttle service Monday through Friday. You can bring your vehicle in, drop it off with us. We can get you a ride home or to work.
The service here has been great. I feel like everyone's very hospitable and so nice and kind, and when I pull up, they just come right to the car and start getting me on my way.
They're quick and efficient and always let me know what I'm needing.
If you choose to stay here during the service visit, we have several amenities. We have a wonderful in-store cafe that provides breakfast and lunch. We also have a children's play area for the little ones to stay entertained while the vehicles are in here being serviced. We have some dedicated business cubicles, so if you need to get some work taken care of while you're here, you can have access to our Wi-Fi and be able to conduct business. We have a staff of 11 service advisors, 30 service technicians, including 4 Honda Master Trained technicians, completed all the training required by American Honda to specialize in all areas of Honda automobiles. We can do anything from simple maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, all the way up to advanced electrical diagnostics. We do major and minor services to vehicles, including brakes, transmission services.
There's always someone around that can answer your questions. You're not sort of lost waiting to figure out when your car is going to be ready.
Come visit Honda Fort Worth. They're really good and fast and efficient.
People are just very proactive about letting you know timing and things like that.
Whatever your Honda needs, we can provide at Honda Fort Worth.
We really like it.
I've just been really pleased with the service.
Honda of Fort Worth.
The best cars on earth are at Honda of Fort Worth.